The next generation of Pitchly has a ton in store for you. We have new applications, integrations, field types, and better security, as well as control over data and users having access to that data. In the apps marketplace, applications are available to install on workspaces to further enhance and leverage data. New applications include AI Assist, which uses ChatGPT to supplement, augment, or transform your data. Brand Fetch Logos instantly finds high-resolution logos for use in Pitchly. Use the integrations marketplace to sync data from these sources in just 5 minutes. Setting up these integrations is simple. Click Connect, sign into your account, and map integration fields to Pitchly fields. This can be done using Salesforce, Snowflake, as well as SQL servers. Control user access by creating teams, adding users to those teams, and assigning teams to workspaces. Assign permissions on a team level to better control user access as a group. Additionally, design permissions specific to elements can be adjusted in the Elements app settings. We also have new and updated field types. The formula field uses real-time calculations with over 400 functions like concatenate. This formula field also uses AI. Lookup fields can be used to view, sort, filter, and export subfields associated with reference fields in another table. The attachments field type has been updated as well. Now you could crop images, add images via drag and drop, web search, and URLs. The created at and updated at fields help you automatically apply a date and timestamp that indicates when a record was either created or last modified. In the next generation of Pitchly, our security has been enhanced to better help you protect data. Improved login processes, downloads, and audit logs have been added to ensure that your data stays protected. We're excited to see what you accomplish using the next generation of Pitchly.